The next action drill, sir, is a one-on-one combat fight. Please, our dear viewers, the activities we'll be witnessing today are not safe to be practiced at home. They are activities that are done by trained professional soldiers. So please, at home, don't do it.
You can do it when attacked.
It's only meant for self-defense and in time of combat. That's a one-to-one combat fight. Never practice that at home, please, our viewers. The next action drill is the hand-knife fight. It is a drill that helps a soldier fight with a bayonet or a hand knife. Thank you. The next action is one fighting two. Combat martial arts, please. Work on time. Work on time. The next action is a cold weapon combination. This helps a soldier to fight with only his weapon when he chooses not to release any bullet. As they are coming on stage, please prepare for the next activity. We don't have time. Prepare for the next activities, the nails. Bring the nails. The next action is 3 fighting 1. Come on, let's go. Yeah, they're the bricks. Your Excellency, sir, those are young female soldiers and about to showcase you how they are going to break those blocks there made of cement and sand. Commander, please prepare for the next action. That's Private Achipabeti. That's it. Next one is Private Adong Oliver. Thank you. Please, dear viewers, you never practice this at home. They're not safe at home. Those you see there are live nails, 5 inches, all nailed on the board of soft wood. And somebody is about to jump on them with a live foot, with no shoes on bare feet. Dear viewers, never practice that at home. It is done by a trained professional. See? That one is coming to slip on the nail with that bare skin. And the pangas are going to work on his stomach. Those pangas are real pangas. They can work, as you can see. Sharp panga. Cut it. Now those pangas are placed on his stomach with the sharp ends facing his stomach. And the block will be hit with a hammer and it has to break. If it doesn't break, they're not leaving that stage there. That's it. Work on time. That's the ring of fire, and somebody has to go through it. They're all going through it. Let's work on time, prepare on the last activity. Let's go. Your Excellency, sir, this last activity is to pay maximum respect to the President of the Republic of Uganda, and those blocks in the hands of those young soldiers are not going to be hit anywhere but on their head, and they have to break.
Maybe the people have not yet seen how we protect our colors. This is it. Your Excellency, the way we are securing the colors is the way we should secure what we have achieved in terms of social economic transformation, industrialization, the areas of science and technology, agriculture. Your Excellency, you have really brought us so far, and what you have given to us should be secured and fortified.
Parade commander is about to hand over to his second in command. Behind them are Updf acrobats showing the skills they have, besides knowing how to deal with enemies of peace.
That was going to fall.